Hi, welcome to Chandu's Cloud. Today we are going to unbox OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z headphones. Okay, so before unboxing it, let me discuss some of the features to it. So the OnePlus actual rate, if you see, it's 2190 as per the MRP, but now you can get it for 1999. Okay, in Amazon or OnePlus website you can buy it. So there are two OnePlus wireless headphones. One is with a complete black set including the wires and the full case. You can get it full black. Another one is the wires itself, it will come in a red in color. Okay, what is the difference? Both are in same build quality and price wise also the same. Only difference is the bass voice will be effective in the red wires. People who always want to listen to the songs then go with other one. I don't have the stock the other one, so we will discuss this. And features wise the same, only the sound bass voice also been added to the other one. Okay, so in this OnePlus phone, so it is waterproof, like sweating or when you do a jog or a walk, sweat it will tolerate. It has a resistance in it, but don't dip it into the bucket of water and then take it out. Definitely it will get spoiled. Okay, and the battery life is 20 hours. Once you fully charge, you will get 20 hours. And also they have told that if you charge for 10 minutes then you can get it for 10 hours of battery listening time. Okay, but more or less once you start using it you will come to know whether you are getting 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 20 hours or whatever it is. And the special feature in this phone is there is a switch button, like you can connect a couple of phones or a phone and a laptop. If you want to use it phone, then you can switch. There is a switch button, it will connect to the phone. If you want to use it for a laptop, immediately you can switch it to the laptop. So there is a switch button also available in this. That's all about this phone. And if you want to turn it on, you can club both the magnetics together, and if you want to turn it off, you can switch the magnets aside, so then it will get turned on. Let's unbox this. So this is what inside it. So let's pull it. It's OnePlus phone, and there is a small box here. That's it, and that's anything. This is as usual, like all other products. You can get a manual. You can get a red cable club, and a usage guide. Okay. And is there anything in this? There is another side. Okay, there is a cable, and there is bud rubbers are there here. There is 2 pairs they had given, 4. And now coming to the earphone, let me open it. Seems this portion usually will come a little bit harder, but here it just like it's very flexible and bending. And as I told you before, so this is an off mode and this is an active mode. So when these both magnets are closer, then your headphone will not work. When you keep it aside, then it will work. So you just put it here like this, so it will be very comfortable. And for turning off, you just put like this, so that it will not come out from your neck. It will be strong enough. Okay, rather keeping like that. Okay, coming to the phone, how to charge this. So this is the port for a charge. So it's a C-type. So they had given a C-type cable here. Okay, so you can charge with the USB, but a cable length is very small, but it's still okay. You can connect your laptop, or when you are going with a car also you can charge it. You need a small short cables to your cars and laptops. Now coming to the phone, I have tested it. So the voice is very clear and very good. Only the drawback is the bass voice. But if you want a bass voice, there is another headset in OnePlus with the same cost, where these portion of the wires will come in red in color. You can opt that, so that will be very good for who are listening the songs alone. Okay, but for callers, and if you are continuously being in the conference calls or some other meetings, so this phone will be good, and the battery life also more than the other one. Okay, so charging you have seen. So there is one more small button indicating here, so I'm just putting closer. So that is the switch button here, okay, which I'm talking with. So once you press and hold it, and you keep your phone while switching on the Bluetooth in your phone, then this device will get paired. So then is an automated pop-up will come. You just touch it, it will be automatically paired to your phone. Similarly for your laptop or maybe your iPhone. So any of this is compatible for all the devices. Like phone like OnePlus Nord or some other phone, we don't have a wired earphone jack to press it in. We must and should we have to use a wireless phone for OnePlus Nord and other phones, some of the phones. So in that case, this wireless headset is very, very helpful. So coming to this point, once it is paired, suppose if you are pairing with your laptop and with your phone, so just double tap it so that it will connect to your phone. If it is already connected to your phone, if you want to switch it to your laptop, then double tap it, then it will switch to your laptop, or it will switch to your iPhone. So that is the switch option. It's very good actually. And here you can see the OnePlus logo. Now coming to this one, so this one it will be there for all the phones, but there is some specialty with this portion. Is one is volume increase or decrease, you can do that, but the center button plays a major role here. Like it has various functionalities, like if you want to pick the call, you can press once so that you can lift your phone. No need to touch the phone actually. If you don't want to pick your phone, then just press and hold it for a few seconds. The call will get disconnected automatically. See, not only for that, people who are listening songs, so you can click on it while you open your playlist. You can open it so that it will select the songs and then it will play. And if you don't like that particular song, if you want to move forward, just double tap it so that it will move to the next song. If you want to go to the previous song, just press 3 times the center button so that it will go to your previous song. How nice is that, right? So that's it. While you are by default, if the phone is like this, it will be by default connected to your phone. In case if both the magnets are like this, then this will be off. Suppose I will show you the indication here. Okay, so this is the indication. Maybe you can closely watch it. So there is a light will blink and off. So now the phone is off. If I am removing this, then there is a white light will glow. Probably you can see that. So that is the indication that your headphone is off or on. Okay, so that's it overall about this one. So other headphone, this portion will be in red in color, and other than this there is a costlier OnePlus earbuds also there. So that is around 3,500 plus it seems. So I don't see much difference. I think this is 2,000 rupees, worth enough to buy it than using the other one. Only the earbuds are a little bit different, but quality wise I don't see much difference, but same, maybe the build quality is different than this one. That's it. With this, I'm signing off. People who are watching Chandu's Cloud, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching Chandu's Cloud.